up, guys? So today we're going to be installing the Valkyrie Branch Guard brackets. I had went ahead and got rid of my old ones. As you can see, they're very bulky compared to the Valkyries, a lot smaller, a little more profile, and steel aluminum. Now granted, this weighs a lot more than this, but it's not that much more. It's going to sit a lot better, and I'm actually going to open up my hood without having to take off my branch guards now in any given moment. So this is trash, and I'm going to give you all a walkthrough demonstration on how to take this off. So you're going to have these plastic clips right here, 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 and down here. And what you're going to do is you're going to get you a 15mm socket, and you're just going to very carefully back them out because they are plastic. Alright, so once you get that backed out all the way, you're going to take the cover off and just going to put it up there on the dash or the window thing. So we're done with the 15mm, and we're going to switch over to the 13mm, and you're going to back out the 4 screws. Oh, Lord have mercy. That is on there tight. Oh wait, I'm doing the wrong side. You do not need to back out the rear ones. Pay attention to your instructions. Learn from my mistakes, okay, guys. So, we're going to back out the top ones only. Actually, you know what? Now that I think about it, you are going to have to back out your back ones. How in the world are you supposed to slide that up in there? Cold. It's been a long day. Ah, Lord have mercy. Well, broke it free. So, forewarning, these are actually a little stout to break free for the first time. So yeah, just be gentle. Don't do what I did. I don't recommend it. So here's the bracket. You got these 2 holes. You want it facing like this when you put it on. So we're gonna put it right there, and I want it sitting right on. You want to push so the outside part is pushing up on top of the mount, or on top of the hood, and then we're just gonna hand thread. There we go. Let's get that one on. Right. Tighten these back down. Now we're going to switch back to the 15mm socket, and we're going to put our cover back on. Now, basically, we cannot expect the cover to go back on perfectly, because we are putting basically a metal spacer between the factory original. So with that being said, we're going to tighten down that down. We're going to try to get it to grab. I don't think it's going to grab though. I don't think it's got enough, and he says that in the instructions that it potentially will not grab because of that plastic. Yeah, it's not going to grab. So if this is going to be bothering you, that this is going to be like this, you could remove it. You don't have to have it. It's for sheer aesthetics, really. And it kind of, I mean, it keeps mud and dirt out there for the most part. It is still dirty. But yeah, this is what the finished product looks like on there. Sturdy, ain't gonna go nowhere. And you see where my old ones it scratched my hood. These are gonna sit up flush against the hood like that. They won't move. And when I have the branch guards connected onto the light bar mounts, whenever I reinstall that, that is going to be able to come up. The branch guards are going to fold down over the hood, and I will not have to take them off anymore to gain access to my engine bay, which is filthy. Alright, hope this was a helpful installation on the Valkyrie branch guard brackets. I'll have one over their ladder and over their live bar mounts coming within the short week. Again, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys later.